So I just want to share with you the Touchcast app, which I used in my recent sport ed unit with my kids here. So it's a fantastic app for broadcasting and gives you sort of that ESPN sports feel to things. So just open it up and I'm gonna record and share. Now, when you go into this one, we've got new Touchcast, so you can choose one of these various sort of styles, or you can create your own. I have some already, so I'm going to go to My Projects, and it's going to bring up some templates that I already have there. So if I go into, for example, Mustang Cup, which was the one that we were using. So as the kids did their interviews and signed up for different things, you could see that this was already set up for them. So they had that Twitter feed on the side there, which was set to go for the hashtag ISS Mustang Cup. We've got our sort of logo here in the right hand corner, and then away they could go and just push record and start recording their action. So there's a few different styles of things that we've got here. I can turn this camera around so you can actually see me while we're doing it. So I can change the camera from front to back, so can just quickly record what's behind or what's in front. So that's the camera. I've got effects down the bottom here, so you can actually add a green screen if you've got that. You've got the whiteboard tool, so you can annotate over the top of things as it's happening, or add text, whatever. So that would be good for your sort of instant replay style stuff. Can add titles, so here's the title down the bottom there, which I can have Mustang Cup. You can add a new title, choose a different sort of variety of title there, choose this one, and there it goes. You can sort of add that. Now VApps, this is the really sort of fantastic feature that it has, so you can add sort of anything that you want there. So I'm going to go ahead and add a VApp. You can see a real variety of different things that you can choose from, so you can add a web page in there. So I can maybe put our class PE blog there. Okay, once that loads up, I'm going to hit create VApp, and there it is on the screen. Now, if this is being viewed on an iPad once you've, or a iOS device, once you've finished, you can actually sort of use this as an interactive feature, so you can actually be touching it, scrolling, going to different pages while the video is actually playing in the background. So you can add things like that. And for our Mustang Cup, we added obviously things like a ticker, which we ended up using the ESPN sports ticker there, and gives it that real sort of sports feed. So add that to the video, and there you go down the bottom. So it feels like a real broadcast. Like you can see, there's the Twitter feed there, so you can just search for a hashtag or use a different sort of a different account. Lots and lots of things there: Facebook pages, polls, Instagram questions, a variety of different things there. So they seem to be adding more and more as time goes on. You can also change the sort of the space of where it goes there as well, or I can just move it around the screen, make it bigger, make it smaller. So fantastic sort of stuff. So once I've saved that project, what I can do is, so I'm going to say just maybe record a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. So this is now recording. The kids are interviewing each other, filming the action, commentating over the top, and it was really good. There's also the teleprompt feature, so they could actually type their questions into there. So it's just typing a heap of text into there, and then save, and then that would actually teleprompt over the top. So as they were recording the interview, they could actually see their questions scrolling up the screen as it went on. Once that's finished recording, what I can do is done, and it's going to give me a little preview of the video that I've just made. Kids are interviewing each other, filming the action, commentating over the top, and it was really good. There's also a feature so they could actually type their questions into there, All right, so you can see that now. This is how we actually got the videos onto YouTube, and then we're able to embed them in our site. So it was just a case of making the video public, and then here switching YouTube on. So we could have tweeted them out or sent them to our Facebook or whatever, and then as soon as we hit share, that went straight up to our YouTube channel, and then the website manager was able to quickly embed those from YouTube onto the site. So, like I said, a fantastic little tool for creating really professional looking news broadcasts or sort of sports coverage, things like that. So worked really well with our kids, and I think it's a fantastic tool for your sport ed unit.